In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use sticky notes with Miro. Whether you're collaborating on a project or organizing your tasks, sticky notes in Miro can be a powerful tool to enhance your productivity and creativity. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to your Miro board. You'll want to open your board to get started, so make sure you've signed in and have your workspace ready. Once you're there, look to the left side of your screen. You'll notice a variety of tools available for your use. These tools are essential for customizing your board to fit your project's unique needs. Now, locate the sticky notes icon, which looks just like a small sticky note or square. This is the feature we'll be focusing on today. Sticky notes are a versatile tool allowing you to jot down ideas, reminders, or even organize your brainstorming sessions. Once you've found the sticky notes icon, go ahead and click on it. This action will activate the Sticky Notes tool, providing you with options to create and customize your notes. Clicking on the icon may bring up a few choices for different colored sticky notes, which can be handy for color coding your thoughts or ideas. Now it's time to bring those sticky notes to life on your board. Click and drag a sticky note onto your board to place it wherever you like. This dragging action makes it easy to position your sticky notes precisely where you need them, ensuring a well-organized and visually appealing board. Once you've placed your sticky notes, you have the flexibility to adjust their size. You can make them larger or smaller depending on how much space you need for your text or for visualizing your workflow. Simply click and drag the corners or edges of the sticky note to resize it as needed. Along with resizing, you can also change the font style of the text within your sticky notes. Miro gives you options to adjust the font to your liking, making your board not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing. Play around with these settings to find the combination that best conveys your message or enhances the visual flow of your project. Keep in mind that these sticky notes can be a collaborative tool too. If you're working with a team, everyone can add their thoughts and ideas to the board, creating a dynamic and interactive workspace. This feature makes brainstorming sessions more productive and engaging. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to use sticky notes with Miro. By utilizing these tools, you can transform your Miro board into a hub of creativity and productivity, tailored to meet the needs of you and your team. Thanks for watching, and I hope these tips help you get the most out of your Miro experience.